Hello everyone. Take a section from the middle as such and then take two sections from either side. Make it crisscross right through the center as such behind the pen. Continue to do this for multiple sections. Gather it all under the initial section you've created and then loosen it. Add a bow on top of it once you're done. Next, take a section from the left side and then take a smaller section from the right side. Wrap the smaller section around the larger section and then pull it down and join it with the rest of the left hand side section here. Continue on and take more and more sections, wrap it around the left hand side section, and then after you wrap it around, pull it back down as such. Do this until you reach the middle, then add a star shape pin to it. Take two sections of the hair from either side, make a braid out of both of these two sections, join it in the middle at the back. Add a rubber band to it, and then once you've done this, add another section of the hair through it. Make a bow out of it at the back and then lift the hair up as such. Adjust it as need be, take a section of the hair, pull it on top of the bow through the middle. Tighten the rest of it and comb it in place. Make two ponytails on either side of the scalp and then make two braids out of it. Crisscross these braids and then roll it up in order to fasten it in its place. Now, taking the left hand side braid, roll it up and pin it up towards the right side and do the same with the right hand side braid. Use bobby pins in order to fasten it in its place, then add decorative pins all around as we have done so as well. We have added these flowers all around in the shape of pins, clips and then multiple prong pins as well. Next, make two braids on either side of the hair, then take multiple sections, pull it through the gaps in the braid as such. Do this for both of the braids. Once you're done with this, take each of the sections you've created and make them crisscross in the middle at the back as such. Once you're done with this, join it at the bottom and then tie a rubber band to it. After you're done tying the rubber band, this is what it should look like. Take two sections of the hair from either side, tie it up at the back, add a rubber band to the middle section of it, roll the hair in on itself and pull it through the top section. Repeat this step once more and then once again pull it through the top. Add a decorative pin to it if you want to. Gather the hair together, make a low ponytail out of it, add a rubber band in the middle section, lift this upwards and then add a decorative multiple prong pin to it. Make two braids with the rest of the hair and then wrap it around the bun as such. Take two sections of the hair from either side, tie it up more towards the right side, roll the hair in on itself. After this, take the right hand side section, pull it through the top left side and then make a braid out of the left hand side that is gathered all of the hair together. Roll this braid upwards and then pin it up in place using a bobby pin or a two-pronged decorative pin as such. You may use different colors and different decorations as well. Next, we will start off by taking this hair twine, gather all of the hair together and then pull the hair through it as such. Once you're done with this, roll the hair upwards, wrap it up into a bun and then use the decorative portion of it in the side as such. Now adjust the hair around it as need be. Take the top section of the hair, add a rubber band to it and then roll the hair in on itself as such. Tighten it. Now loosen the sections of the hair at the top as such. Take two more sections of the hair from either side, tie it up at the back, roll the hair in on itself and then tighten it. Repeat this step until you reach the base of the scalp. Now taking the rest of the hair, divide it into three parts and then begin to braid it. Once you're done braiding it, loosen the sides using your fingers and then roll this braid upwards. Fasten it in place at the top and then pin it up in place using a multiple prong pin. You may use a decorative pin on top of this. Gather the hair together and then wrap it around your finger into the shape of a bun. After this, you may arrange it and then use a decorative pin or a clip in order to fasten it in its place. Next, taking this hair device, put it onto the hair, put a section through it as such. Now make multiple sections out of the hair and then insert it into each of the crevices of this device. Do this until you reach the bottom of it. It should begin to look like a French braid and then once you reach the bottom, you may add a rubber band to it. Add some pins as well should you like to. Thank you for watching.